Hello everyone, and today what I want to show you is kind of a neat little app called Flowboard. You can see the app right there, Flowboard, and obviously this is free. Normally it's the only ones I'm going to review, but if you check this out, I've opened up and I see my floorboards right off the bat. You would have to create an account when you come in here, but obviously creating an account here is free. But what it does is it kind of creates kind of like a little PowerPoint almost, but it's more interactive. So for example, if I look at one I made here called The Journey to the Moon, you kind of start off, you can edit different things in here. You can come on, you can change your text, you can add different parts to it. So I could add media in here if I needed to. One of the neat things about adding media in here, and normally this is a problem with a lot of times apps on an iPad, is trying to multitask, flipping back and forth. The neat thing about Flipboard is if I select Add Media, and pick image, I can use pictures from my own iPad if I want. But one of the neat things is right here, Google search. If I select Google search, I can actually type a word in there. Let's say space, and hit search. It will find those images for me. So instead of having to jump back and forth between like Safari or Google Chrome on my iPad, I can do all my searching directly from Flowboard itself. So that's a pretty neat feature. Let's exit out of that one. You can see there's different layouts that you can do. So I can see this right here. Another neat thing is the pictures that you put in can be hyperlinked. So I actually have a link in there already. And we can see that link's in there. So your flowboards are actually interactive. Now if we want to see what that looks like, I'll hit preview here. And if I click that Sputnik, it will open up a little browser directly in my iPad. So it's a pretty neat little feature. So your flowboard can be all interactive with links to external information. So it's a great way for students to share some info and then bounce it back here. And we can kind of see the same setup here. I have those links being interactive once again. Now adding a new part to your flowboard is pretty easy. If I hit add screen, there's lots of pre-made different ones that I can select from. Now these first ones you see here, this is because I picked the case study theme, so that's why there's kind of certain ones in there, but you can do a total customization too if you wanted to. But it's a pretty neat little app. Now when you're done, I can click share, and let's just hit share now. What you will get is you can share it in a variety of different ways, but one neat thing is you can see there's a Flowboard address. Now I already have that open on the website here, and let me shrink it down a little bit so it fits right on here. There we go. So you see here's my flowboard in Google Chrome. I can actually click and it does the same thing. So it'll kind of jump me around to different areas and it'll be like an interactive PowerPoint. So it's really neat. So even though you did it on an iPad, it's still available on other devices like any laptop or anything pretty much with an internet connection that has a web browser. So that's Flowboard, really easy to use. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Otherwise, have a great day and thanks for watching.